What is going on? Listen, I bought myself a new tent, and you know, I'm used to sleeping in the rooftop tent, nice cushy pad inside there and everything. And you know, these days with my neck and my back and whatever else that goes in that song, I'm a pampered princess. I need a mattress. I need some sort of a cot. So what I got here is an ever advanced XXL cot. Now I'm losing light, and it's been sprinkling a little bit. I got some rain coming in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set this up. And then once I got it set up, we'll take a look at it real gently, and I'll give you some specs on it. Well, coming in, I can tell you the first spec, 27 pounds on this thing. So, you know, you're not hiking with it, but you're not really hiking with a tent this big and things like that anyway. So let's take a peek inside. Seems like a real nice bag so far. You know, your classic nylon-y, whatever. And then inside, there is going to be one big piece. And two small pieces. Let's get this bag out of the way. So one of the things you'll notice that's not in this bag is any instructions. I unwrapped it personally. I haven't found any instructions. But luckily it's very simple. So let's take a peek at it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set it feet on the outside up. There's 3 sets of feet. So you wanna have the one with the 2 feet on the way up. And then they've got a bunch of Velcro strapped around it just to hold everything together. All right then, so essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring these legs up here like this, and they're gonna flip over. Same thing pretty much on this side. This leg comes up, whoops. Those legs come down. So now you basically have almost all 3 sets of legs on the ground, and then it's simple as just pop it open and it sits down. Okay, so one more thing you have to do is you have to secure the ends. And when I was looking at these, I mean, it's controversial on the big brands how that they fix their end cap here. All right, so what you want to do is you want to find the top of the bed here. It's going to have the logo on it, and there's not going to be a zipper. There's not going to be any flaps of any sort on there. And then you get these little sticks that have these little gitchies in them. And so what you're going to end up doing is we're going to fish it through there. We're going to catch that little hook over there, and then this side you might have to give it a little bit of muscle, and it's going to click right into position just like that. Now let's take a look at the other side. All right, so this is the process right here that's controversial on some of the other units that I watched, a lot more difficult. People are new and improving their systems, old systems. These guys have a totally different system that we're going to talk about. So this is the foot, and there's a zipper in it. And opening this zipper up is going to give us just a little bit of slack in this area right here. And we're going to need it because we got those gitchies again on this side. So feed those through. And then it's going to act very similar to the other side, where you get the first one set, come to the other side, and this one's going to take, this one's going to take a little bit of pop too, and it goes right into position. So now what you have is, that was real super easy. All right, so once that's in place, there's a zipper piece right here and a loop on the outside, and you simply grab it with your thumb, pull that tight. All right, so this is rated for 550 pounds. I'm at like 220, so we're going to do what we always do on something like this. And I'm not going to be gentle with it. First impression, a tad bouncy, which I guess is good because that means it's nice and tight. Plenty of room. My feet are fully on. Plenty of side room. Wouldn't have no problem rolling onto your side from here. All right, let's take a look at some of the material. I'll give you some of the facts on the specs for this. Then I'm going to slide it in this tent over here and go to sleep. And in the morning, I'll let you know if I got a shoulder out of whack or my neck's got a kink in it. So this is 600D high-dense polyester.
All right, so this cot is 84.3 inches long, 41.9, almost 42 inches wide, and 19.7 inches off the ground. They're using what they call a steel X leg.
All right, I'm gonna throw that bad boy right there in that tent right there. We're gonna get some shut-eye. Okay, look, side note. Have you ever dealt with mosquitoes in Colorado? And in the morning, I'll let you know if I have any kinks in my neck. I'll see you then. All right, good morning. Listen, successful night on this cot here. No aches. I don't have any pains, anything like that. I did bang my arm on the hard part on the side. That's gonna just take getting used to working on this bed. Listen, I bought this from Amazon. If you think you want to take a peek at it, check the link in the description. It's also going to be my Amazon store. If you want to check out this tent I'm sleeping in, I'm going to put that right up here too. All right, appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next time.